A major capital city is completely locked down. It's for a critical meeting. Let's dive in. For 2 straight days, Pakistan's normally bustling capital has been brought to a complete halt. The city is on high alert, with a red zone that's basically a fortress. The stakes are immense. So what could possibly be so important that you'd shut down a whole capital for it? Well, it's the stage for a massive make-or-break meeting between the United States and Iran. And just look who's at the table. Sending top people like VP Vance shows this is absolutely critical. This meeting didn't just happen overnight. It follows weeks of really intense conflict and diplomacy. Now, as the Iranian delegation arrived, a pretty dramatic story started to capture global attention. Yeah, reports claimed Pakistani jets entered Iranian airspace, an unprecedented move to escort the delegation. And a video of this supposed escort, it went viral, millions of views just like that. But hold on, there's a twist. The footage is real, but the context is just completely wrong. It's a classic case of misinformation. That footage is old, showing Saudi's crown prince in 2019. Okay, so beyond the viral videos, what's really at stake here is incredibly high for the world. For starters, this conflict has sent massive shockwaves through the global economy, kicking off with energy. And the impact goes way beyond the gas pump. People are worried about a full-blown global recession. So what's at the heart of the talks? Well, it's Iran's 10-point proposal for a settlement. And these 4 points right here, they represent some of the biggest hurdles for the negotiators. The American side is signaling a firm stance. They're not looking for a one-sided deal at all. And Iran is being equally firm, demanding things like the release of its frozen assets first. So with deep mistrust and red lines drawn, this is truly a make-or-break moment for global stability.